Good morning, all of you. All of you fine? Children, giving alms to the poor, being hospitable to others, all these were part of our custom. But nowadays, the moral values of especially children are going down and down. To a certain extent, elders are responsible for this. But the cousins, Mridu, Meena and Ravi, they are an exception to this. Because when they saw the blisters on the feet of the beggar, they felt pity for him. They wanted to give him a pair of chappals. And they were searching for a pair of chappals which could fit his feet. At last, they found one. And what was the condition of that? A very odd-looking, shabby pair of chappals. But the beggar was very happy to have that. He was in badly need of that because there were blisters on his feet. He could not walk barefooted on the tar road. Okay, yes. Shall we continue with our lesson? Here, Ravi said to the beggar, a pair of chappals, dropping the slippers in front of the old man. Whose chappals are those? We can guess that it might be of the music masters. Wear these and don't come back. Wear these and go back, must not come again. Because the slip warning has been given by Rukamani. The beggar stared at the slippers, hurriedly flung his towel over his shoulder, pushed his feet into them and left, and muttering a blessing to the children. And before he left, he muttered a blessing to the children. Let God bless you. In a minute, he had vanished around the corner of the street very happily. Now, the music master, so you know the condition of the music master was very thin and was like a bony figure. The music master came out of the house and took an unappreciative look at three of them. And the music master was not at all happy with these children. He took an unappreciative look at the three of them sitting quietly under the tree. So after doing all this mischief and all, three of them were sitting quietly. These mischievous children were sitting quietly under the tree. That itself shows that they have done some mischief. After doing some mischief, you also will go and hide somewhere, sit very quietly, and from that itself, your mother will easily catch you. When you are sitting quietly under the tree playing marbles for innocent children. Then he searched. So the music master first gave an unappreciative look at three of them, and then he started searching for his chappals. Then he searched for his chappals in the veranda where he had put them. Lalli, he called after a few moments because his chappals could not be seen. How it can be seen? She hurried up to him. Have you seen my chappals, dear? My dear, have you seen my chappals? I remember having kept them here only. Every day I keep my chappals here only. Today also I did the same thing. But where is it now? Ravi, Mridu and Meena they were silently watching Lalli and the music master. His favorite student, Lalli and the music master searched every corner of the veranda. They were searching for the chappals in every corner. He scurried around in a mood in a hurry, looking over the railing and crouching near the flower pots to look whether the chappals are there. To look between them. Oh, in between he was saying, brand new they were. You know, my dear, they were very new. We saw the condition of the new chappals. brand new they were. I went all the way to Mount Road to buy them. See, I had to go to Mount Road to buy them. It is a very rare pair of chappals. He went on saying, they cost a whole month's fees. Do you know that? I had to give whole month's fees to buy that. So that pair of chappals has been lost now. Soon, Lalli went in to tell her mother. She rushed into the house to tell her mother. Rukmani appeared, looking harassed, with Party following her. Yes, Rukmani appeared, looking very much harassed, and who was following her? Party also was following her. Where could they be? Where are they? It's really quite upsetting to think someone might have stolen them. See, I cannot believe that someone has stolen them because never has happened so. So many vendors come to the door for a party. Nowadays, many vendors. Today afternoon itself we saw a beggar come to the house for a party. Rukmani caught sight of Reddy, Mridu and Meena sitting under the tree. Now only Rukmani saw 3 children sitting under the tree and they were very curiously quiet. Have you children? She started like this. Have you children? She began, and then seeing they were curiously quiet. When all were looking for chappals, now these 3 were curiously quiet. They were engaged in playing marbles. So she became suspicious. Went on more slowly. Have you children? She began like this. And see anyone lurking around the veranda? A sharp B-shaped line had formed between, a line of suspicion formed between her eyebrows. Another straight, tighter one appeared in place of her usually pleasant mouth. Rukmani was really angry. Now Rukmani was really angry. Rukmani has found out the culprit. Thought Mridu with a shiver. So Mridu is seeing the angry face of Rukmani for the first time. And now she began to shiver. Now she said to herself, she wouldn't be so upset if she knew about the poor beggar with sores on his feet, because she is a very kind-hearted woman and she will not be very angry if she comes to know of the story of the beggar having sores on his feet. She tried to tell herself. So what did she decide to do? Taking a deep breath, she was preparing herself. She cried, Rukmani, there was a beggar here, poor thing, he had such spoils on his feet. In one breath he told. See what he said? Rukmani, there was a beggar here, poor thing, he had such spoils on his feet. Rukmani. So, the answer came very spontaneously. The reply. So, said Rukmani grimly, turned to Delhi. So you gave the music master's chappals to that old beggar who turns up here? I already asked you to send him away. So, you have given the music master's chappals to that old beggar who turns up here? Party. Children these days don't party. Amma, didn't you tell me about Karna, who gave away everything we had, even his gold earrings? Amma, you already told me the story of Karna, who gave away even his gold earrings, which was meant for his protection. And you asked me many times to be like that. That only I did. He was so kind, and he only told me to be kind and generous to others, like Karna in Mahabharata. Silly, snapped Rukmani. Karna didn't give away others' things. Karna didn't give away other people's things. He only gave his own. He did not take other people things and give. He only gave his own. And but what have you done? You have given music master chappals to the beggar. But my chappals wouldn't have fitted the beggar's feet. Because my chappals wouldn't have fitted him. That is why I gave music master chappals. Ravi rushed rashly on. And Amma, if they did fit, would you really not have minded? So giving away the chappals is not a problem to you. So because I have given away the music master's chappal only, it has hurted you. Ravi, Rukmani became very angry now. Go inside this minute. She hurried indoors and brought out Gopamama's hardly worn new chappals. So Rukmani was really ashamed because her son has done so. She was ashamed. She felt ashamed before the music master. She hurried. So what she do? She hurried indoors and brought out Gopamama's hardly worn new chappals. Fortunately, another pair of chappals were there in the house. It was hardly worn, very new. Very politely, in a respectful way, she asked the music master, "Sir, they should fit you. Sir, please put on these. Sir, please put these on. I am so sorry. My son has been very naughty." The music master's eyes lit up. The music master really became happy. Why? As we say, Manasil Leddu Putti. Because instead of his old shabby one, he has got a new pair of chappals. So, and he did not want to show that feeling to others, the feeling of happiness to others. He put them on, trying not to look so happy. He was hiding the feeling of happiness from others. He put them on, trying not to look very happy. Oh, well, I suppose these will have to do. Okay, anyway, I have lost mine. It was a very a rare pair of chappals. But what to do now? I have to go home. I can't walk barefooted. So I will adjust with this. These days, children have no respect for elders. What to do? Actually, in his mind, he was blessing the children. Because of them only, he has got a new pair of chappals. But he was saying, these days, children have no respect for elders. What to do? A Hanuman incarnate. He's calling Ravi a Hanuman. Only Rama can save such a naughty fellow. Only Rama can save such a naughty fellow. What to do? Rukmani's eyes flashed. She did not like his son to be called a monkey, even though Hanuman is a holy monkey. If anyone calls you Hanuman, will you like, or will your mother like? Okay. She didn't seem to like Ravi being called a monkey, even a holy monkey. She stood stiff and straight by the front door. It was clear that she wanted him to leave quickly. Okay, when he had clattered off in his chappals, she said, "Mridu, come in and have some tiffin." Okay, now she is inviting Mridu to her house. You have some tiffin now. You did not eat anything. Honestly, how do you children think of such things? Actually, she is very soft woman. Now she is asking the children, how do you children think of such things? How can you do some mistakes like this? Thank God your Gopamama doesn't wear his chappals to work. Thank God that he wears shoes only when he goes to work. Otherwise, what you would have done? I cannot give shoes to him. Thank God your Gopamama doesn't wear his chappals to work. As she walked towards the kitchen with Mridu and Meena, she suddenly began to laugh. She began to laugh, thinking of this. But he is always in such a hurry to throw off his shoes. But as soon as Gopamama, as soon as he comes to the house, the first thing, what does he do the first thing? What is the first thing to do? he looked for his chappals. But he is always in such a hurry to throw off his shoes and socks and get into his chappals as soon as he comes home. What's your mama going to say this evening? So the music master we have been saved from the music master, but now how can we save ourselves from Gopa Mama? What's your mama going to say this evening when I tell him I have given his chappals to the music master? We don't know what Gopa Mama is going to say. What is the reaction? What will be the reaction of Gopa Mama? To know the reaction of Gopa Mama, you don't have to wait for my next class, but you have to read the story. Because the story is not ending here. The story is taken from, Mridu in Madras by Vasanta Surya. Okay, children. So, thank you for listening to me. We shall meet soon. Till then, goodbye.